My name is Boniwe Mwane. I'm from Uthuleka Economic Development Agency. So today we are relaunching the Battlefields Festival in Ladysmith. We had, the mayoral entourage that included the host mayor, our councillor Zama Sibisi, as well as the family of municipalities, mayors from the district, as well as from Okahlamba and Nkosi Balele. So basically today we wanted to sensitize people. We wanted to tell people that we are relaunching Battlefields. The main event is taking place next year. Around the same time, May, June in 2023. So we just want people to prepare themselves. We also want to, plead with our sponsors, our, business chamber, as well as, potential funders to come on board and assist and make this event a successful event. It's a tourism event that normally attracts, even international tourists, international market.
We came here for the relaunch of the Battlefield. We enjoyed our stay. We enjoyed the oversight looking and the museums and the monuments and the history that was told. And the places are so nice. The lodge we were in, it was splendid. So we really encourage people to come to Mnambiti and enjoy the beautiful nature and landscapes.
Today I'm here to participate in the Indian cuisine. That's what I chose. My dishes are mutton biryani, samosas are snacks with chili bites, pickles, crushed chilies, salads, and also have some sweet meats, and I made a nice faluda.
Dzina langa ndumbela Rambau. Namusi roda hapa noni rodo urepresenta Bavenda ka the food cuisines in Ladysmith. Zwithu zwe ra babikela zone robika vuswa ha mutuku, robika chidzimba, robika muroho wa delele, robika mashonja, rina murambo, rina muroho wa muchina, ra dovha ra vha na mukusule. Rina mabundu a unwa.
Ek is vandag hier so om die Afrikaanse voedseltafel te ondersteun en te kan bewys aan almal waaroor Afrikaans gaan. Ek hoop almal sal gelukkig wees en sal sien. Ek hoop maar dit proe goed, maar baie dankie vir die geleentheid dat ek vandag kon wees en alles met julle te kan deel.
I'm representing the Khoisan community of Ladysmith. I have pickled fish with hot cross buns, ginger beer as a washdown, and some Cook Sisters.
My name is Munay Ndwandwe from the Daily News. I'm here for the relaunch of the Battlefields. I'm really enjoying my experience here, but what topped everything was my stay at Dongala Boutique Hotel. It was amazing. I wish everyone could come and experience everything there and come and enjoy.
Igama lami ngo-Andiswa Kamchunu, ngiqhamuka kwiVuma FM. Namhlanje ngizelana uzobungaza iBattlefield relaunch eMnambithi okuye iBattlefield esifundisile ngokubumbeka kwaleli dolobha. So ngilale eDongala Hotel. It was very, very nice, a very beautiful place. UMnambithi nje ne-experience ishoye namhlanje i-experience umhlaba ngempela udinga ukuthi uyibone ukuthi endaweni ezifana lezi kwenzekalani.
I'm Nongilunga Mkhize from East Solezwe. My stay here at the Dongala Boutique Lodge has been very amazing. I wouldn't mind coming back here again. And the Battlefield launch has been quite an experience. I had an awesome, amazing time.